Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I just got a new parcel from China and it's a big one. I mean, it's not very big, but it's a special one. As you can see, this is the Dragon Boat Festival Pokemon set. Inside there's actually 5 Surging Sparks packs, and you have the Gyarados fridge magnet over here, and you have this Dragon Boat pouch shaped in like a Dragon Boat sort of style. And yeah, I'm very excited to open it, so let's open it. Let's see. So the chase set is like your normal Surging Sparks. I mean, like the chase cards are quite similar to your normal Surging Sparks, which is the Pikachu SIR. I've only opened one Surging Sparks, and it's not the English one, it's the Japanese one. And of course I got nothing, but yeah, it's quite nice that Pokemon China, they have so much Pokemon China, they have so much festivities and celebration sets. It's really nice actually to see a lot of like these Pokemon special edition merchandise and all that. Really nice. It's really nice to see rather than just constricting it to celebrations and Pokemon anniversary. I'm really destroying this box really badly. This box is really destroyed. But they have so much tape on it. Okay, so as you can see, really nice box art if you didn't see it already. Really nice, yeah. Gyarados, the Magikarp, and I think because Gyarados is like a dragon, but normally they wouldn't put a Charizard, even though Charizard the dragon. Maybe because I'm really destroying this box. Oh my god, look at that. I've cut it so badly already. Okay. So, packaging wise, not as premium as like the ATVs and all that, but this is what you get. Really nice pouch. So this pouch over here, you can probably use to store your damage counters, coins. Let's see the quality. So of course you get like this Pokemon stamping over here. Really nice pouch. The quality, can you hear the quality? Is it possible to hear quality? Okay, so it's like some cloth over here, but this sticker it feels like it's a sticker type, you know, like the ones they heat press onto your t-shirts. Yeah, something like that. It's quite similar to t-shirt quality, and the zip is quite nice, I guess. Inside the bag you get just paper. Yeah, just normal paper, not like Pokemon paper or something. Imagine people resell Pokemon paper. Has that happened before, other than the ATB boxes? Oh yeah, look. It's Pokemon branded on the zipper as well. Really nice. Chromish. So it's like in the shape of it's quite a nice size. It's like, I don't know, how do I measure this? Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys watching my video, you have Mini GT. It's like this size. A Mini GT box size. Pretty good measurement. I'm quite impressed I came out with this on the go. Okay, so yeah, that's the size of this. Pretty good to keep your dice. Let me see if I got my dice. I don't think I did. So you can keep your dice. Really nice bag to keep all of that. You have a clip over here. Clip it onto your Pokemon bag as well. Really cool. I do love this a lot. Okay, let's look at the fridge magnet. So this is a really nice design. For the fridge magnet, you have the Gyarados in the middle because Dragon Boat Festival. Dragon, Gyarados, I guess. I know Gyarados is not dragon type, but I guess he looks like a dragon. And Boat, water type, so I guess it fits. And of course you have the Pokemon mascot, main mascot Pikachu, and the Magikarp, Chikorita, and the Bulbasaur over here. Really nice, although it's a fridge magnet, so I'm not sure where I can actually use this. But okay, it has like an epoxy covering at the top, overlaying it's layered, so you can see that it's layered over here. It's not just one piece of design on the fridge magnet. Epoxy covering, and Not bad, I guess. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. As for the stickiness of it, I don't know. I don't know how well it sticks to a fridge, but I assume it'll be pretty good. Nice design. Okay, now for the packs. What you've all been waiting for. So I'm not sure if you can metal detect these packs, but I think these are not like the Chinese booster packs, the jumbo packs where you have 20. There's probably just 5 in each pack. Not sure what are the odds of getting a hit here, but everyone loves packs, right? So first we're gonna open it. Hopefully we can get the Pikachu. SIR. Okay, I'll let you open too. Okay, let's open the packs.
Inside got 5 cards.
Yes, 5 cards inside. So I assume that what's it called? I assume the hit. Oh yeah, okay. So the Chinese packs, they write the guaranteed hits over here. The hit details, can you see it? Yeah, you have a 0.73% chance of getting a SR, SAR, and UR. For the rest, you have a 5.45% chance. 一张卡，一张什么？4张平卡。
平卡是 common and common.
4张。Oh, okay, okay. So you have 80% chance of getting the first 4 cards being a holo. Sorry, not holo, a just common or uncommon. And you have a 0.73% chance of the holo card being a SR, SAR, or UR. Okay, let's open it. Can you 可以开了 ？No, 这样子开就好了，拉这样子。Okay, like this. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, so I'm not sure how this works, but I assume you put the one on the back to the front. Okay. 翻一个从后面去前面，后面去后面翻前面。Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's open it. We have this Electabuzz, and she has the Veluza.
Then
Joltik. What's this? I'm not sure what this Pokemon is. That's the Relic. Oh, just a Fletchinder. How are you? Hey?
like a full art.
Full art? Hey, no, it's not. No.
But
Okay, so she got Entei. I think this is Entei. Some fossil Entei thing. Can you see the card? I don't know. Quite cool. Okay. Oh, Latias. Not bad. Okay, that's the first 2 packs. Now let's get on to the 3rd and 4th pack. Hopefully we can get something good. Okay. So if you want this pack, this Dragon Boat Festival thing, I'm pretty sure it's like around 80, 60 ringgit. So if you're interested, to let me know. I'm kidding. But if you are in Malaysia, definitely I can hook you up. Okay, let's move it to the front. Okay, so we have Rev Room, Salazzle, Rotom, what's this? Togekiss, Diglett.
I think will be the last one.
Oh, EX Galvantula.
Wow.
How are you? Okay. So she got a cough. I forgot what the name is. Coffin something. Okay. Really nice. Okay. Last pack. Last pack. Magic. I'll let you open it. Okay. I'll open it for you. Okay. Mihai?
You go.
Okay. First card. Sunberry. Okay. Next card. Okay, last one, the hit card.
Maman.
Ah, yeah.
So the best one is
So the best one that we got. We didn't get the SAR, guys. Let's see. This one. Best card in this that we got. Galvantula EX. Disgusting. Okay. Moral of the story, guys. Don't open your packs. No, I'm kidding. Just open it for the fun of it, especially if it's a Chinese pack. Just open it. It's really cheap. Okay. See you guys. Bye bye.